Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the general list we have to scroll down to find the system. Not about phone, the system. Then let's tap on languages, which is at the top, and enter system languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, choose the region if you can, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. However, the English is still a main one, so all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let me tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language, so simply tap on change, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, we can do it again, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. Again, change, and here we've got English applied. Of course, we can also remove the languages from this list, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on remove. Mark the language, and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.